Okay, so it's about 6 minutes past 9. We've got everyone out here waiting out the back for all the swimmers to come out. The race was meant to start at 9 o'clock, but can't tell if it started or not yet. Okay, just spotted the swimmers. It's 12 past 9. You can probably just see them off in the distance. I'll go and look for Nick. So what's happening at the moment is all the swimmers are swimming out to the marine rescue boat. Each swimmer's been given a number, so as they round the rescue boat, someone's yelling out on the loud hailer the number of the swimmer, and then the support crew then has to come over and meet that swimmer. So still waiting for them to call out number 10, which is Nick's number. Here he is. So that's our other support crew on the kayak, Wade, with the fluoro vest on, Nick beside him. It's 9:30 and we've just passed the first point at North Bondi. Had to stop for a minute or so just so that Nick could get rid of one of his caps. It's given him a few dramas, but we're now out in the open ocean. So 9:46, just passing the chimney. Alright, time is 10 o'clock, been going for 1 hour. How you feeling, big boy? Easy. Easy,
long,
he says.
all day long.
Woo! Choo choo!
Pain train, keep going.
Okay, so it's 10:40, we've been going for 1 hour and 40 minutes, and I think we're probably around halfway. So there's Nick in the yellow cap, with Wade beside him in the orange kayak. Wind's picked up a little bit. Water's quite warm actually, so Nick probably won't be feeling the cold as much as what we are. Time is 1 o'clock, we're just around the corner from the finish line. Got the city skyline in front of us. Lady Jane Nude Beach on our left. Nick's just stopping to have a look. But we're not far off now. Just got a phone call from Anna, she's waiting for Nick at the finish line. Let's go, mate. Coming to the finish line now. Let's go, mate. You got it, mate. Hey! Woo! That's pretty cool. And the race is done. 4 hours and 49 minutes. Well done, Nick.